The Hawks have made a major breakthrough in the fight against international drug trafficking after dismantling a multi-million rand clandestine laboratory operating on farm in Volksrust, Mpumalanga. The shocking discovery was made on 19 September 2025 after residents complained about a strong unusual chemical odor coming from the property. Their reports led investigators straight to a large-scale drug manufacturing facility hidden in plain sight. During the takedown operation, 6 suspects were arrested, 1 South African national and 5 Mexican nationals believed to be part of a transnational drug cartel. According to the Hawks, the South Africa suspect worked as a farm's caretaker, while the 5 Mexicans allegedly oversaw the chemical processing and large-scale production of illegal narcotics. The raid was led by the Hawks Serious Organized Crime Investigation Unit, based in Secunda. Inside the facility, officers found a massive setup of industrial chemical mixers, burners, and containers filled with toxic substances used in the production of synthetic drugs. Authorities say the lab was capable of producing drugs worth millions of rands every month, making it one of the most sophisticated illegal operations ever uncovered in the province, which is the province of Mpumalanga. Following their arrest, the 5 Mexican suspects abandoned their bail application after the Hawks strongly opposed it, while the South African caretaker was released on 50,000 rand bail under strict conditions. The property remains under 24-hour police guard due to the presence of hazardous leftover chemicals that pose a significant fire and health risk. Specialists have been deployed to decontaminate and dismantle the site safely, with the cleanup expected to be completed by Friday, 31 October 2025. All seized materials, including dangerous chemical, drug-making equipment, and containers, will be safely destroyed as part of the ongoing decommissioning process. Major General Nico Geba, the Hawks provincial head in Mpumalanga, confirmed that the investigation is far from over. He stated, "The operation sends a strong message that South Africa will not be used as a playground for international drug syndicate. Our investigation continues to trace and dismantle the mastermind behind this cartel." Authorities believe the Volksrust drug lab may be part of a large international network smuggling narcotics across South Africa, with possible links to cartel operations in Latin America. The Hawks have vowed to follow every lead until everyone involved, both locally and abroad, is brought to justice. I hope all goes well. Thank you so much for watching. Much appreciated. Please don't forget to subscribe and share the video.